Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, a quiet market today, but possibly we get a little bit of volatility tomorrow, given that we are dealing with, the Fed interest rate decision tomorrow. Expectations are for it to stay the same, the interest rate, but still we can get some volatility. And idea is currently here on the VeChain chart that we are very close to a major low. That's at least, well, all I can say is we have not yet confirmed the low, but we are at a key spot, right? The price has arrived at a key spot, key support area here. We're very deep in support, as you can see. The price has reached nearly the 78.6 retracement, pretty much at 2 cents, 1.99 to be exact. And in addition to that, we have reached the trend line here. Again, not quite. Okay, we might get another low or so, but the price has pretty much reached here the lower boundary line. And from there, we might get another rally in what would be the C wave in the yellow scenario. You might remember from previous videos that I'm tracking here a corrective rally, which, yep, could have completed, but I intend to give the bulls another chance because across the sector, the price has reached key levels. So the charts have reached key levels, not the price. The prices on the crypto charts have reached key levels across the sector, and we can get a bounce. And the structure of the bounce obviously will only be revealed as we go higher. But I would say from here, this correction started already in December. The reward to risk ratio for for long traders is pretty good. Now, I think key is still to keep it small, any position small until we have a reversal. And I'm not telling you to buy. I mean, this is an altcoin. I mean, they are unpredictable. What we can do, though, is to identify areas of interest where the price has a good chance at least to show a reaction. And then we have to watch for reaction once the price is in these areas, the Fibonacci support zones here. If this is the wave count, the idea basically that this is a corrective rally A, B, C, and the B wave itself was a flat correction. Well, then we should see a reaction somewhere from here. If this wave count is correct, if the interpretation is correct, ideally the price would react before breaking and sustaining below that 78.6 retracement at 1.99 cents. And then from there, yeah, as I said, a C wave rally could happen, which would be a 5-wave move up indicated by the green arrow. Why a 5-wave move? Because C waves are always 5-wave patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's just the most probable scenario. Now, if we only get a corrective rally and it's clearly only like a 3-wave move and it's weak, then it will increase the risk that we're breaking down and that we are already in the white scenario, which means a bull market top already formed and we're heading down in a bear market like that. Yeah. This would be the white scenario, not preferred at this point. I would prefer the yellow scenario in which we are still due a move higher in yellow wave C. I'll keep you updated about that. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here, there isn't much to add and also not a very clean move to the upside. However, we have reached resistance. We have not yet broken above the first signal line that's located here at 2.6 cents. And therefore, the pressure is still down. I am watching for potential upside reversals here, but as I said, I cannot rule out another low. It doesn't make sense to really count the micro here on the smallest time frame. I've added resistance here, as you know, and we could say, hey, maybe this is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So do we get another low? Maybe, but I don't need to label that. I mean, that's why we have the resistance in place. I can tell you if we get a decisive break above resistance, above 2.6 cents, yeah, and the green line, which is at 2.6 cents, it increases the potential probabilities that a low is already in. But it would require then also above the break above the last high at 3 cents for further confirmation. So overall, we're just waiting. It's a bit of a waiting game at the moment. Price is at a key spot, very deep in support, and the wave count to the downside could be considered complete. Maybe there's going to be another low on the micro level, but then really the bulls need to turn up, or we are basically sliding into a more bearish scenario. Yeah, so it's an absolute key spot here. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also join us on X here for conversations about charts, new infos or updates about mindset, macro overviews, exclusive videos that you can only find here on X, and so on. You can find the link in the description. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.